What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Chasing Limits. So in today's video, we're going to install this K&N high flow air filter on this GR Corolla. Now, as some of you might not be aware, the engine on this is quite the marvel. It's a 1.6 liter 3-cylinder turbocharged engine which spits out 300 horsepower. So this has been borrowed from the GR Yaris, and the power bump has been up to 300 from, I believe, 267, which was on the Yaris. So yeah, let's get in. This shouldn't take only maybe a few minutes to install, and let's see if there's any difference. All right, first thing, remove the old one. So all you gotta do is unclip here, unclip here. You got two tabs in the back there, hard to see, but after you unclip these two, you just lift it up and there's the old one, and just take it out like this. So there it is, clean as a whistle still. All right, so we unboxed the K&N and it's side by side to the original OEM. You just want to make sure the sizes are the same, which it looks like they are, perfect fit. So yeah, let's remove the wrapper and throw it in. Now what I like to do, because this is an oil-based filter, is I like to just dab it a bit just to make sure there's no excessive oil from the manufacturer. So it's pretty clean. And on this side, some of them that I experienced before, they were drenched in oil. So you definitely don't want that, as it can ruin your MAP sensor and all that stuff. So might throw a check engine light, but the way it is, it should be good to go. Also, for reference, this is the part number if you guys are looking for it, 33-2443. All right, so now that we got the filter ready to go, I want to make sure it lines up. I guess it goes in this way. Make sure it fits nicely, nice and tight. And then you gotta make sure these tabs in the back fit in nicely, perfectly there. Clip that, clip that. That's it. All right, so there you have it. That's as simple as they can be for a modification. We went with the K&N because it was very accessible. I only got it within a few days of shipment. Whereas the other intakes, they're a lot more money and shipment would have taken weeks, if not months. So, you know, let's see how the K&N fares out. There's always room for improvement. So yeah, let's hop in, take it for a spin, see if we notice any gains, if any at all. But most importantly, I know you guys are wondering, is how is the sound any different? Can we hear the turbo more? Just more induction noise. So yeah, that's what we're gonna find out, so stick around for that. We're gonna have videos side by side comparing OEM versus the K&N filter. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Alright guys, there you have it. So we've done a few passes with this GR Corolla before and after the K&N Air Filter install. So if you guys want to let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Did you hear any noticeable differences in sound? I can say that from performance aspect, I can't say that I've noticed any difference at all. It might take some time for the ECU to readjust, but I highly doubt that I'll still notice any difference at all. So yeah, having said that, let me know what you guys think. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.